So if you look at kind of the visible surface of the planet, I think everyone knows that land use and land use change has been a massive driver of kind of carbon emissions. Last time I checked, which was about 10 years ago, so I apologize if this data is wrong, it's about 20 to 30% as I understood it. Generally, kind of that's forest land being converted to agriculture. What kind of amazes me is as we build our system, we look at more and more of the planet and more frequent timescales, right? So you're looking at China and you compare one picture this week from one last week, and like bridges are built, towns expand, like lakes physically dry up like in front of your eyes. The forests of Amazonia kind of decrease, and you get to see this, right? And I think that's incredibly useful as data sets to create for kind of science. There's also commercial value in there. But there's one aspect we don't talk about that frequently at Planet, which I think is really important. Pictures of what's happening kind of connect with people. And a lot of what I heard this evening and in previous talks about climate change and the response to it is people don't connect to it enough. And what I personally feel when I see a lot of our images and I see changes in agriculture, forestry, farming, urbanization, roads, rivers, is a real connection to what's happening. So I'm kind of excited and interested to see how that might actually have an impact on kind of the human psyche, showing changes within timescales and at resolutions that kind of show humans' impact on the planet.